coming up now?
Alright, let's go. Oh, the damage. Oh, the damage. Oh, the damage. Oh, the damage is it's shit. Oh, the damage is shit.
What's the only?
So that's just accuracy, right? Okay, I'm gonna do it now.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it now.
And I didn't. Nice.
It reloads really fast because I have the rapid release.
Without compensating for the recoil, also just let it go up.
Yeah, I wasn't compensating. Now I am compensating. That's dope.
Look, if I don't comment.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, MDfashionco Collectibles here, and today I'm not going to be doing a gunner build, I'm going to be doing a spicy dock build with the full auto pistol. The full auto pistol on the dock using the combat stims. What's it gonna be? Let's get into it, but first, roll the boop boop boop. He had a dream to play Aliens Fire Team. He collects themes. He's got high self-esteem. He's credible. He's unforgettable. He's commendable. He's MDfashionco Collectibles. Okay. All right, let's get started. We'll see it in action. Wow, look at how accurate that pistol is. Look how accurate that full auto pistol is. Because normally, this is one of the most inaccurate things in the game. So potentially, you're doing a lot of damage. Right? There's only one way to find out, but first let's get into the build. We run on the auto pistol, the flash hider, because it has 5% fire rate on hit. And we want fire rate on this, because fire rate equals more damage. You have to play this class with a recon. So that's what makes this build kind of not that good, because you have to play it with a recon, whereas a gunner, potentially you could play 3 gunners. Rapid release mag, obviously, when you're playing something like this, you're always going to have an empty bag, so you're going to reload really fast. Hybrid, accuracy, weak point damage, that's exactly what we want. And as you can see, look how inaccurate that is. That's inaccurate. All right, let's get to the dock perks. Oh, I was playing without 3 here. But that made little to no difference, because this 3 was actually going to be enhanced reach. So enhanced reach, quick charge on the combat stims. Now you have to play overdose. Why do you have to play overdose? Because if you take off overdose, then combat stims don't be that accurate. It like actually doesn't make that much difference. This gun is so inaccurate, right? That if you don't have that, it will just make it bad. So you have to play overdose, and then everything else you can do what you want, but you have to have the slow of the suppression station. I think readiness is great, and also the handgun training. I just increased fire rate and accuracy, fire rate and reload speed. It just makes total sense. Accuracy and weak point damage, because you want the most accuracy. And yeah, this is the build. Now let's get into the gameplay, ladies and gentlemen. What do I think of this build? In basic summary, it's not as good as the gunner. When I pop a Q with a gunner and I go like this does way more damage. Also, now that's just comparing everything, right? But how about we just switch to a different pistol? How about we just switch to the Type 78 burst pistol? This pistol is laser accurate under combat stims, and it does more damage. So this pistol is obviously always better. This one just needs a buff, because it shoots so fast, but it does such little damage. It's ridiculous, and y'all see in the gameplay. Anyway, I'm gonna see you boys later. Let me know in the comments what you think of this build. It's a cool idea. I saw a guy play it. It's a cool idea, but unfortunately, it's not very good. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Goodbye.
Esther, you seeing this? Yes, it is curious.
Oi, Aaron, use headphones.
Yeah. Not mine.
Oh, then other guy, use headphones. Yeah, this is definitely not good. It's definitely not good. This build is definitely not good. This pistol is very weak.
Did you add any damage to it?
No, it has weak point damage, some. It's just not good. You know, there are way better ways to do a fuck ton of damage.
What the rapid responder? Have you tried playing with that one?
Yes, it doesn't work. It's still so inaccurate.
And too weak, right?
Yeah, it's just too weak. Alright, I'm gonna try on this guy. See, look how little damage I'm doing. Look at that. What the hell? That's weak point shots too. Do you see how weak that is?
Board's clear. And keep moving.
Wow.
That's fucking trash.
Movement. Watch top side.
Was the guy you saw playing the video doing insane?
Yes, it was in... No. It was one clip on Insane, which he probably had a vulnerability thrown up, and he had a gunner. So the gunner essentially overclocked, and then he went crazy. Does that make sense? Like, the gunner overclocked his pistol, and then the pistol went crazy. But it's like, well, then may as well just be a gunner then, honestly. Yeah, my framer is stronger than my pistol with this build. May as well. Where's the prowler at?
Sentry gun ready.
Right here.
Sorry. Oh! Jump scare. I'll stay here with the recon. Oh, behind. Back out.
Private channel, fire team. I read a terminal ahead. Access it. Esther, pull what you can. Casual like. Rodriguez keeps asking us to leave. Let's find out why.
Station ready. Grabbing ammo.
I think you guys have to move forward a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
Hey, Esther's hack will take time.
Accessing data. Casual like.
Swarm rolling in. Perfect timing.
Can I get the ammo? Oh, you did already. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Overclock with a pump shotgun is so much more damage than this.
Progress is being made. Stand by.
I'm excited to try this out on the warrior though.
You want to cryo up for the warrior?
Nah.
I don't think we need it.
Something big and nasty coming
I
your
have
way.
We're quite
my
slow.
I have my trusty combat suit. Don't worry.
Ready to go.
Alright, let's go. Oh, the damage! Oh, the damage! Oh, the damage! Oh, the damage is it's shit! Oh, the damage is shit! It's shit damage!
Even
How-
with the Bloodhound?
Yes, even with the Bloodhound and 2 other players shooting it. Oh my goodness, that was horrible. If that was 2 gunners, it would have died so fast. Oh, that was trash. And I was getting weak point hits too.
My access was cut off.
Marines, it's Rodriguez.
It's like literally like a BB gun shooter. Oh.
We shot up a mess of Xenos. Maybe acid hit something.
Don't worry. Eight
Esther,
here.
you get anything off that terminal?
Grabbing ammo.
Encoded files. I will need
Yep, you
Endeavor's
are.
mother system to decrypt.
Nice. Okay.
They spawn behind us. I mean, it makes total sense. If the doc could do more damage than the gunner, then why the hell would anyone play the gunner? Like, we'd all just be playing doc. Wait, let me drop my Q.
Ready.
Oh, behind? Behind? Behind is clear. I'll trigger.
Xenos, overhead!
Sentry's ready to go.
See, I looked at the stats, right? And the Kramer does double the damage of this pistol. So the pistol has to shoot over twice as fast as the Kramer to be better.
And you're wasting a lot of bullets doing that too.
Yeah, but it has more bullets. But yes, you are wasting a fuck ton of bullets. We'll come back and defend up here, boys. So I'm gonna pop E and the drone, actually. Tell me when you're ready, and I'll pop the drone. Oh, Prowler on the roof. I aggroed it. Do you see the Prowler?
Yep.
Oh, he's coming to me. I'm gonna pop my E, and okay, I'll pop the drone right now. Let's go, back up.
Watch your ass! Xenos!
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to unload on the drone. God, I'm so pro. That was so pro. The way I juked that drone, that was next level. Guys, we gotta focus on the front. We are getting a bit fucked at the front.
Wow,
you
that was
died.
bullshit. Yeah. That's fine. I'm probably gonna go to bed soon.
Alright.
All y'all turn up right now.
If you join the Patreon for $2.50 a month, you get a shout out on the videos and get to go to the Discord channel with the pros. Boys can't comment in or can't chat in unless they part of the Patreon thing. So look down below for the link and tell me what you think, boy.